Morning everybody, welcome to Nigel's Blind Boat Racing and Upcycling YouTube channel. If you could like and share this please, because I'm going to give some giveaways when I get to 100 subscribers, thank you. So this morning I'm going to show you how to do an assessment for a leisure battery, the power that you want. So as you probably know, I have this electric scooter that I drive around on. Now I've lost my driving licence, so that's given me some independence now with this scooter I can drive. And what I'm wanting to do is really charge it from the sun via the solar panel for free. That's my ambition this year, is to do that. So you've got to have a solar panel collecting the sun. That's then got to charge a leisure battery up. And then on the leisure battery, you put a 12 volt to 240 volt inverter, and then I can plug my 240 volt charging unit from a scooter. So that's the process. Sun, solar panel to battery, battery to inverter, inverter to 240 volt charger to my scooter. So I know that my battery charger takes about 230 watt, right? So I need to know now how many amps that's going to draw from 12 volt battery, so I can work out how big a battery I can have. So the charger is going to be on for 6 hours, so I've got to draw 230 watts. That's 240 volts for approximately 6 hours. So if I can work out how many amps 12 volt amps gets drawn per watt, I can then work it out on a bit of paper. So what I've done now, I've got this upcycled lamp that I've made that you've probably seen. Now that's got a 40 watt bulb in. So I've got an inline fused inline ammeter here. From when I was an auto electrician. I've got that plugged into my inverter. So when I switch my inverter on, it's going to light this 240 bulb up. So I'm lighting a 240 bulb from a 12 volt battery. So let's see if it works. Yeah, can you see that? 240 volt light bulb is now working from a 12 volt battery. So what I've got to do is see how many amps this is drawing from the battery. So I need to look at this machine. So this machine, this ammeter tells me that it's drawing 3.76 amps. So I need to write that down. 3.76 amp. Right. So the nature of auto electrics and stuff. That 40 watt bulb, that 240 volt 40 watt bulb is drawing 3.76 amps per hour. So if I set 3.76 by 40, that'll give me how many amps or point of an amp is per 1 watt. Now I need to do that on the calculator. I can't do that in my head, so I'll do that after. So once I've found out how many point noughts of an amp 1 watt draws, I can times that by 235, and that'll give me a current draw per hour, and then I can times that by 6. So just say so how many 40s are in 230? Well, that's 4 2 4s are 8, 16. So it's about 5. 5 times 3.6 is like 15. I dare say it's going to be 15 amps an hour, right? The 230 watt plugger in. 15 amps an hour. So if I'm running it for 6 hours, it's 6 times 15, which is 90 amp. So my battery has got to be a 90 amp hour battery at minimum. So that's how I'm working it out. So that's a bit of a tutorial on how to work out how many amps you need from your 12 volt battery to run a 240 volt 40 watt bulb. So you can use this in anything you do. So if you've got a camper van and you're going to be using 1 kilowatt power from a TV, radio, hot water machine or something, you can now work out how many amp hours leisure battery you want. So I hope that's been a pretty good tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much.